Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the phone number is active and you can receive an SMS or call. Once done, check whether you already know or can guess the Apple ID email tied to that number, because the phone number lookup uses account links. Without it, you'll need to try variations. Make sure your device has location and Find My enabled, since verification steps and the recovery process require those services to be available and responsive. Now perform the middle steps. Go to Icloud. Apple.com and select Find Your Apple ID, entering the phone number to search linked accounts. Apple may return the associated email or prompt verification. If that doesn't work, use Icloud.com and the Forgot Apple ID or password option, supplying the phone number when requested to receive a verification code. If automated lookup stalls, contact Apple support directly. They can validate ownership with security questions or proof of purchase, which helps recover the iCloud link. Finish by entering any SMS code or approving a two-factor prompt on a trusted device to sign in. Once you authenticate, you can access iCloud. If the account is locked, request account recovery and follow Apple's timeline and instructions. This can take several days. If things go wrong, check for SMS blockers, carrier delivery problems, or that the phone isn't on Do Not Disturb. Make sure alternate trusted devices are online so you can receive approval prompts or recovery details promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.